Okay, so we got a tropical update on this channel. Okay, so we are dealing with Tropical Storm Bertha down in the northern Gulf, just right here along the Alabama and Mississippi and Louisiana Gulf Coast right now. Currently, looks like we've got a few little rain bands coming up here hitting Pensacola, Florida. Now, this will be moving straight east overnight. Uh, these northern rain bands and winds right now are just off the Florida coast here, south of Pensacola, with the worst of the winds all concentrated right in here. All right, now, this is all going to move straight west through the night. Now, currently, they've got the center of rotation here is 142 miles east southeast. No, 136 miles, 37 miles east southeast of New Orleans. All right, now, like I said, this is all moving straight east. Now, this is looking to make landfall in the morning. Here about 7 o'clock, and then so figure somewhere between 9 and 10 o'clock in the morning, it should make landfall. All right, by tomorrow night. Now, this thing is crawling, by the way. 6 mile an hour speed right now. Max sustained winds, 50 mile an hour. Max wind gust, 55. Still well below the hurricane force threshold. Pressure's 998 millibars. Okay, so, like I said, tomorrow, maybe even tomorrow afternoon, it looks like, this will be making landfall. Right here in the Louisiana Delta area. Now, it's going to push all the way through, Houma, Chauvin. I catch a little, New Orleans, you're going to catch some of it. Gulfport, you're going to catch some of the outer bands later today, or later tonight, early tomorrow. Additionally, or early, in the morning. All right. And then it's projected to make a second landfall, this time as a tropical depression. That is looking, Thursday. Thursday evening, right about 7 o'clock. Right at Galveston right now is, right on the center line for the cone of uncertainty here. All right, so, 90%, wind probability of tropical storm force winds right here. All right. Now that's all this is probabilities that this spot will be getting tropical storm force winds at, when it gets there. All right. In addition to that, now, of course, lots of rain, lots of wind. You guys know these things better than anybody down there along the Gulf Coast in Florida and Texas. You don't need some, landlocked Okie from, telling you all how to prepare for a hurricane or a tropical storm. You know what you're doing with this. I'm not going to try and tell you how to prepare. All right. In addition to that, now, so y'all, make sure you take your normal precautions. All right. Be safe. Listen to your local weather. Listen to national weather and local authorities. All right. Other than that, everybody, you have a good one. Y'all, keep your heads down with this. And I will be back later with another update.